So you have hair loss issues, or you think you have leaky gut issues. But understand this: there's no such thing as a treatment for a particular symptom. Okay, when you are going after symptoms, you are treating. When you treat something, you're not solving the problem. You are trying to put a band-aid over the problem. So whenever you have an issue, it doesn't matter what it is, you want to start on a detox program. Okay. Now, when I say detox program, I mean you go on 100% foods. You stop eating all cooked foods, all animal products, all cooked starches, and 100% fruits. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oranges, grapes, melons, whatever you want. It just has to be fruits. And you need herbs. I cannot say this enough. Don't be cheap. Buy herbs and use the herbs. This is your health we're talking about here, okay? And the herbs, you have to address the adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, stomach and bowels, and endocrine system. All those have to be addressed before your problem goes away, because remember, the body functions as a whole. And if one part is not working, the rest come down. And these 5 parts are crucial. They're crucial to recovering or to regenerating yourself, because if, for instance, the kidneys are not working properly, that means your lymphatic system is not going to work properly, which means that the acids will back up, which means it will affect all the endocrine system. It's one big cycle, one big circle. You cannot have one part. So if you have a symptom of something, it's because the whole system is down. It's just that that symptom is expressing itself through your weakest link, your weakest genetic link. Some people will have weakness in the scalp area, so they have the hair loss. Some people will have weakness in their knees, or have knee pain. This is how it works. It's systemic. So to fix it, you need to fix the entire system. And you do that by going on 100% fruits, and you do that by using the herbs, okay? You do that for a few weeks. You start feeling the improvements almost immediately. Mucus is going to come out. You're going to lose some weight. You're going to have possibly a flu-like symptom where you sweat out toxins. Like you will feel the benefits almost immediately, okay? But it takes a while, because remember, if you have a really severe issue, it took you years before you got there. But it's going to take you a couple of months to get much better, okay? It's going to take you a couple of days and weeks to feel a lot better. But to actually get rid of the issue, it can be a long process. When I say long, I mean a few months, possibly a year, okay? Which is nothing compared to the issues you might be facing right now. I mean, it's not even a consideration. So remember, it doesn't matter what the issue is. Okay, again, what issue are you having right now? Fill the blanks. You have to detox the entire body. You have to target the 5 areas. And you do that by going on 100% fruits, changing your diet completely, changing your diet to one that's hydrating. Fruits, oranges, grapes, melons, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, nothing else, okay? No vegetables, no cooked food, no meat, nothing but fruits. And then you're going to use herbs, okay, for the adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, endocrine system, stomach and bowels, okay? There are five areas. These affect the major organs of the body. So they'll get the attention they need, and you're going to see benefits, okay? This is a process. Like I said, it's not a treatment. You're getting to the cause of the problem, which is far more superior, okay? So I don't care, again, whatever problem you have, okay, use common sense. If you need it to be treated, go see your doctor. If you want to try and resolve it at the core, then this is what you do, okay? But always tread carefully and know what you're doing. That's why I give you my videos. I want you to educate yourself to know what you're doing. But it's very simple, folks. It's almost like a one-size-fits-all. It is, because the body, as complex as it is, we don't even know a fraction of the body, of what the body can do or what it is. I mean, medical science, as far as it goes, doesn't even know a fraction of what the body is. But the body is very simple in the way it functions, okay? All cells have to eat and excrete waste, without exception. All human beings eat and excrete waste. All animals eat and excrete waste. All plants eat and excrete waste. If any of these 2 systems are blocked, you will have an issue, a health issue. It's without exception, okay? So having said that, it's very simple. If one of the systems are down, all you have to do is fix